Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your gracious host, Dee, presented by the editor, Donald.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and I am in my backyard. And let me tell you, there is so much going on in my backyard. It is unbelievable. As always, there's something going on in my backyard. We are having some permanent covering for our patio. I don't know if it's pronounced.
I believe it's pronounced pergola.
Pergola? I don't know, but it's spelled P-E-R-G-O-L-A. That is what we're having put in our backyard. So you can see wood behind me. There's covering. All of my stuff is off of my patio. I'll show you everything in a moment. However, before they get here, I'm trying to get as much as I can into my raised bed. It is currently 7:06 a.m. I've been out here since about 6:15. Our back light, patio light, my husband put in this spotlight. It is so bright. I'll have to see if he had taken a picture of how bright this light is. He's got one in our backyard, and he has one lighting our garage area. It is so bright, it's almost like daytime. So I was able to come out here at 6 o'clock and have absolutely no trouble seeing everything. So anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to put out, because it's hot, humid, and I hope that doesn't bother the camera. I think we have officially hit fall, and today's temperature is supposed to be, it's 73 right now. The high is supposed to be 88, with a chance of afternoon showers. So I thought that these would enjoy the rain. So, let me find my pocket I can put my phone back in. Alrighty. So what I'm going to put into the ground right now are these little Georgia collard seedlings and more Georgia collard seedlings. These are Copenhagen Market cabbage seedlings. And I know I could wait until they get bigger, but I want them out of the house. And they need to be out here growing bigger. Y'all, I'm still trying to get eggplant. I think I have an eggplant growing, but I'm not sure. They look like the same leaves, but this is the Black Beauty eggplant that I am trying to get to finally get me some eggplant. And I am so determined to get eggplant, and I've never tasted it before. Yeah, I know. And this is some Waltham 29 broccoli seedlings that I am trying to get put in today. So I've got a lot to do. I've got my bone meal, and I've got some worm castings that I'm going to put in the soil and fluff up prior to me putting them into the soil. And I forgot to bring my, darn it, my clippers, because I need to thin out these, dang it. Well, I'll leave those. I'll just wait until they get bigger and thin those out. Because I had planted seeds in the area that I am going to plant these seedlings. Some have come up and some have not. So in the areas that they did not come up, I'm just going to put the seedlings. and be done with that. So, because if they haven't come up by now, they ain't coming up. Or at least that's what I think. So I wanna, ooh, hello. I wanna bring you a little closer. I wanna put you down so you can see me move my knee. Okay, hang on, I just blocked myself in.
We are a small channel and we hope you're enjoying the edutainment. Hit the like button, share the videos and subscribe to our channel.
Okay. So right now, this is what my backyard is looking like. Yep, that's my backyard right now. So these are my cantaloupe that's growing, and they seem to be doing fairly well. But it looks like the cantaloupe is trying. I don't know if it's gonna make it, but it looks like it's trying. So I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. But this is the bed that's gonna have to be gutted and restarted. And those are the little corn pieces that I put in there. I completely filled the center with corn, and you see where corn started, and you, of course you see the weeds. Nothing can get rid of weeds. But all of this, let me zoom out, are tools that they are using to put our pergola, however you pronounce it,
Pergola.
up. This is going to be the top, the shading. It's 40% shading, because I told them I did not want anything darker than that. I don't want complete shade, I just want some shade. Here's my ground cherry plant. He trying to hang on. These white spots, that's my fault. I found that some little buggies were chewing on them, so I went a little heavy on the soap mixture that I put on it. You know, you spray on it to keep them from chewing on it. Yeah, so that's my fault, but I'm hoping that it's not killing it. Because I did go a little heavy. I get heavy-handed with things sometimes. That, I think, is the, I can't see it now, diamond eggplant. That's what the other eggplant is that's in the raised bed, diamond eggplant. And he's barely hanging on. Back there is, I can't even reach back there. I've got potatoes back there. I've got sweet potatoes back there. I can't get to any of them. I don't know what the heck that is, but it's growing in my sweet potato bucket. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. And something is telling me to not pull it out, but I don't know what it is. So I'll leave it. I don't think I'm going to get potatoes. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get potatoes at all. I think the seed potatoes that I bought were trash, because I don't see one. Well, I do see one that has sprouted right there, but that's the only one. And the other one that sprouted died. So I think those sweet potatoes were trash. I really do. Yeah. So that's my backyard, y'all. This is awful. And see how the thrips are just eating that corn? I mean, it's just, this bed is just completely infested with them. See that? I mean, I understand why people want to, or people end up using chemical pesticides. And I don't know if, can someone tell me if they know? You see the black spots on the leaves of the cantaloupe? Are those supposed to be there? I don't know if they are. My mind is telling me just pull all of this up and just let the bed be empty. That's what my mind is telling me. See these spots? Yep, that's what my mind is telling me, but I don't know. Yep, I don't know. Oh, I didn't show y'all the porch from this view. So they've got the starter, I guess the frame up, and then they're going to do the rest. We don't want it attached to the house. And then they're going to actually put, like in this area here, a deck. So when I'm watering and putting my seeds and everything together, the water is just running through and it's not staining the concrete and stuff like that. So I'm excited and actually really ready for this to be over so I can have my backyard back. Yes, I'm ready for that to happen. So anyway, that is this video. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Let me put you on the tripod. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel. This helps us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel, because this helps motivate us to continue making videos to share with you guys. Also, don't forget to grow your own, eat your own. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Don't you use it as a thumbnail. No.